I wonder what.
You know, look, man. Not even Obama. Wait, name? What is something about Obama have already? No, Obama.
Adoration.
Yeah. Inaugurations, whatever it name. Not even eating a big so.
All these, I don't even make up.
About 500 people out there.
Turn on. The line not gone on the corner there.
But when them gonna tell the woman mother and them going
We are getting closer. Yes, we are getting closer to the door. And the moon is out. If you think the line is long or back, you should have seen the line when me come here at the Obama this year.
If we supposed to go on already.
The camera won't clean.
That's strange.
You're gonna need to go up on red carpet. Here, there. You're gonna need to take 2 pictures on the red carpet. No, we are celebrity. In Walla we are celebrities. Here they go, we are up on red carpet. You can't talk to me. This. My daughter need to see this because when she dropped me off.
Turn on. The line not gone on the corner there.
but when them gonna tell the woman mother and them going
We are getting closer. Yes, we are getting closer to the door. And if you think the line is long or back, you should have seen the line when me come here at the Obama this year.
Make some noise for So they're asking me to please ask you all, whatever seat that you're in, please keep it. Now because you see a friend on the other side of the room, please sit on the side and the seat that you are in. If you're in the VIP area and you're not supposed to be in there, security is going to ask you kindly to find the seats. Okay? Ladies, you all look so beautiful today. Black guys, make some noise!